Hey guys, it's Mrs. Phillips again. I am going to go ahead and show you how to solve for mass when we're talking about Newton's second law. Okay, so again, we're going to give you a word problem. The word problem here, a force of 250 newtons is applied to an object that accelerates at a rate of 5 meters per second squared. What is the mass of the object? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is first identify my force, my mass, my acceleration. That way I can plug it into my formula. Okay, so force is right here. Let's see. Force is right here. Okay, is applied to an object that accelerates at a rate of 5 meters per second squared. So this 5 meters per second squared, that tells me it is acceleration. Okay, and again, I'm looking at units. I know that newtons is force. I know that meters per second squared is acceleration. And mass, well, that's what we're looking for. So we don't know mass. Okay, so my setup here, I'm going to identify each of them. Okay, my force is 250. My mass, I don't know. And my acceleration is 5. Okay, so now that I've identified my acceleration and my force, I can plug it into the formula to figure out my mass. Okay, so if you look at the formula up here, force equals mass times acceleration. I'm going to fill it in exactly the way it is right now. Okay, so first I have force, so 250 equals mass, which I don't know, so I'm going to keep it the m, times acceleration, which is 5. Okay, so this one is not as simple as just solving for force because now I actually have to move stuff around in this formula. Okay, I have to manipulate it. In order to solve for mass, I have to get the m by itself. Okay, so the opposite of multiplication here is division, right? And so in order to get rid of that 5, I can just divide it by 5. But whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other side. Okay, so these two 5s right here will cancel each other out, right? 5 divided by 5 is just 1. But I'm going to have to divide 250 by 5. Okay, so you can use a calculator if you need to. 250 divided by 5 is 50. And so my mass is equal to 50 kilograms. And you'll notice here that I added kilograms because kilograms is the unit for mass. Okay, this is my answer. All right. So I hope that helped you figure out how to find mass. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video. I'm going to start another one for acceleration. But really, it's going to be the same thing, but I'm going to do it for you anyway. Okay? All right. I hope that helped.